Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here. It's been quite some time that we have done top iOS apps. So in this video, I'm going to share some amazing iOS apps which I think you must try. Also make sure to check out our previous episodes, link will be down in the description. With that being said, let's get started with this episode. Starting off with Brilliant. This is a learning app and it's designed in such a way that it's suitable for all ages. It's quite fun, let me tell you how. At the start, you get to choose whether you want to learn something for your work, enhance your skills, or you just want to do this for fun. After that, you are presented with various topics and categories like logical questions, computer, maths, physics, etc. So choose the one you like. I find myself spending a lot of time on logical questions. As you can see here, you get a problem and then you need to solve it using your logical skills. Quite fun. Likewise, you can choose any other topic from their huge collection. It's quite a fun app to enhance your skills. If not, it's a great time killer, and the best thing is, this goes for people of all ages. Give it a try. Next up is Suited. This is a wallpaper app with a very simple user interface. All you need to do is swipe to browse the pictures and download the one you like. Some of the wallpaper requires the Pro version, yet you can unlock it for free by viewing an ad. Moreover, the wallpapers are also categorized into different sections like gradients, galaxy, etc. So just choose the one you like and get that perfect looking wallpaper for your iOS devices. Next up is FileMaster. This app will create a separate file management system on your iOS device, which makes it super easy to transfer files between your laptop or computer to your iPhone. However, the files transferred using this app will only be accessible from this app. You can view your contents, take a picture and save it to this app only with the built-in camera app. Likewise, built-in browser helps you access files with hyperlinks or even browse the web. Also import pictures from your gallery, you can create files, folders and many more. I personally use this app to transfer pictures taken from my DSLR to post it on social medias. Next up is Focus. If you use portrait mode a lot, this app is great to edit and make the most out of it, as the portraits are not perfect most of the time. You can take a portrait shot right from this app or choose the portraits from your gallery. After that, you can change the aperture size, portrait shapes, lens settings, lighting settings, effects and many more to enhance your picture. You can play around with these settings and effects to make your portraits look perfect. It's amazing guys, give it a shot. Next up is CleanFox. Unknowingly, we subscribe to many newsletters which eventually spams our inbox, and most of them takes a lot of space over time and are useless. Also, it fills up your email which distracts you from your important mails. So this app right here is very handy to remove and unsubscribe from all the unwanted mails. As you can see here, you can see the number of emails from different senders. And below that, you get options to delete, keep or unsubscribe, which is the key feature of this app. So for a much organized mailbox, this is a must-have app. Next up is Darbo VPN. VPN is a must-have, especially when you have to access geo-restricted contents like apps, videos, games, etc., or when you don't want to be traced for any of your purpose. VPNs has many advantages, you can Google that. I have tried different VPN apps on my iPhone, but this one has been my favorite as it comes with an inbuilt browser and you get unlimited data, which means you don't have data restrictions. Give it a shot. Next up is World Around Me. As the name implies, this app will show you the point of interests that are around you, like restaurants, ATMs, gas stations, hotels, malls, and many more, but in the most unique way. When you choose your point of interest, This app will use the camera and show you where you should be heading. This AI feature is super intuitive and accurate. And like using any other maps app, you can search for places nearby and see which direction you should be heading. Once you choose where you want to go, you get the info about the place like its rating, phone number and directions. It's a really cool app and quite handy while traveling. Well, that was the list, guys. I hope you found some useful apps here. If you have any recommendations, feel free to comment it down below. Stay tuned for more upcoming contents and I will catch you guys in the next one.